So I'm coming up to 600 subscribers much quicker than anticipated, so we need to be sorting out the giveaway prize. Stick around to find out what's up for grabs. Easy now, craft fam, it's your boy Gilmaster G. You already know what it is. So this week I've managed to get so many subscribers that I'm much closer to my goal than I originally anticipated it would take. We've got 6 items to give away at the 600 subscriber giveaway, and they are the bolter, the Tau Fireblade, the Tau Pulse Rifle, the Orc Chopper, the Orc Claw and the Power Sword. So if you can comment on this video, whichever one you want to be given away, I'll count up all of the votes and then I will publish another video saying which one has won. From that, if you can like, comment and subscribe, and then when I get to 600 subscribers, then I'll announce the winner, and congratulations to whoever's won. I want to say thank you very much to everyone that has supported the channel. I appreciate it so much, honestly, it means the world to me. I've tried to do the best that I can to make whatever it is that people have asked me to make for the channel. So if you've got any suggestions, just drop a comment and let me know, and I'll try and make whatever it is that you want. Once again, thank you very much for all of the support. I hope you have a good day. Peace.